Hi guys, James here from Middleton Estate Agents. Today we're on St Dominic's Way to show you the stunning 3-bedroom plus study detached family home. Let's go take a look inside. There we have it guys, St Dominic's Way. 3 bedrooms, that ensuite, downstairs office. There really is so much room and so much versatility in this house. If you'd like more information or to book your place on the open day, please get in touch on the details that follow. I'm James from Middleton Estate Agents. Thank you for watching.